Section 1. What is the TOEFL? The TOEFL, or Test of English as a Foreign Language, is an international English proficiency test. It is recognized by over 11,000 institutions across more than 150 countries. The test has 4 sections: reading, listening, speaking, writing. Each section is designed to measure your academic English skills, just like you'll use in a university setting. Section 2. How this course will help you. Here's what you'll learn in this course: how to understand and analyze TOEFL reading passages, how to listen for detail and take effective notes, how to speak clearly and fluently under pressure, how to organize and write strong, high-scoring essays. We'll also look at strategies, sample questions, model answers, vocabulary tips, and time management tricks. Section 3. How the TOEFL is scored. Each of the 4 sections is scored out of 30 points for a total of 120 points. Many universities require a minimum score between 70 to 100, depending on your program. Don't worry, I'll show you how to reach your target score. Section 4. What you need for this course. Before we begin, here's what you need: a notebook or digital document for taking notes, a quiet space to practice speaking, a device with internet for watching videos and doing exercises, motivation and consistency, because practice makes perfect. Section 5. Weekly study plan. Example. Here's a simple weekly plan you can follow. Day 1. Reading practice plus vocabulary. Day 2. Listening practice plus note-taking. Day 3. Speaking practice with feedback. Day 4. Writing practice plus sample essays. Day 5. Review plus full practice test. Stick to this plan and you'll see real improvement. Closing message. In the next lesson, we'll begin with TOEFL reading. I'll teach you how to read faster, understand main ideas, and answer every question type with confidence. So grab your notebook, subscribe to the channel, and let's begin your TOEFL success journey together. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.